We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Please check that your keyboard is set to type in your desired keyboard language and layout. To do this, go to System Preferences, Language and Text, Input Sources, and tick or untick the languages and keyboard layout you require. Or you could click the little country flag beside the time in the top menu.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.